expert. But today, we are adding another word to that. The extinct animal expert. Because today, we are focusing on a predator that hunts sloths. Kelenken. Kelenken was a long-beaked terror bird, was an extinct predator that lived in South America. It was half the height of a giraffe. It couldn't fly, weigh as much as a pig, which is very heavy. Their diet they hunted giant ground sloths and glyptodonts. If you don't know what glyptodonts are, they're basically members of Dinoceras, another giant armadillo. Also, Dinoceras was as big as a car when it lived during the time. And it was not the one able to get into North America. That was Titanus. And this episode is not about Titanus. It's Kelenken. It was probably one of the faster terror birds of its time. And it would have been real scary if it was alive today. But sadly, it died out. Mostly due to climate change. Or competition between Spilodons probably getting into South America. So, make sure to like and subscribe, because this is the Animal Expert signing off. Peace out.